Hello everyone, welcome to EduTap. So big update is coming for all the IFSCA Grade A Officer Exam Aspirants 2025, and we all know that the Phase 1 examination was held on 11th of October 2025, and the much awaited result of Phase 1 is finally out as IFSCA has released the result of Phase 1 examination. And now you must be very curious that how to check our result, right? So what you can do, just type IFSCA in your browser, and the second link you can see is of careers. Click on the careers and the below page will appear, and you can see here in these notifications of 31st October 2025 the result has been announced by IFSCA. You can just click here on the view. By clicking on this eye, you can see that following page will appear, and here you can see that the roll number list of all the three respective streams are been mentioned here, like for the general stream, legal stream and information technology stream. For whatever stream you have filled out your form and appeared in the examination, you can definitely check your result. I am telling you how to check it for the general stream. Just click on the general stream and you can see here that the complete roll number list is here before you. So guys, a big congratulations to all the people who have cleared this examination, and really your hard work has paid off. And now let me tell you again that this is just the first step of the examination that you have completed, and your phase 2 exam is waiting for you on 15th of November 2025. So make sure that you are starting with your preparation of the phase 2 examination at the earliest immediately, and stay focused, revise everything thoroughly, and make sure that you are making every day count. And the people who have unfortunately not cleared the examination, guys, do not worry, stay motivated, and see, every failure teaches us something very valuable. So stay motivated, keep up with your hard work, and let me tell you here that you will always find some more opportunities on the horizon. So just make sure that you are continuing with your efforts. And now when it comes to the EduTap's contribution for your phase 2 preparation, guys, let me tell you that for all the people who have cleared the phase 1 examination, guys, EduTap is also geared up with all the important structured courses of the IFSCA examination, test series, mock tests, and all other important strategy sessions to help you to ace the phase 2 examination. And what you can do in order to basically explore what we are offering to you, you can just open edutap.in, and here you can see you can go to the courses, and this will look like this, and there is a drop down here. Just go into the 4th page, that is IFSCA Grade A courses, and you can see here that we are having a detailed course for all of you, and we are having the IFSCA Grade A recorded crash course of the phase 2, guys. A very good opportunity for all of you to avail this particular course and make sure that your preparation is in the right direction. Apart from that, the people who only want to have the test series, they want to prepare from the test series, you can also enroll yourself in the test series course. So basically, according to your convenience and your requirement, you can definitely choose your respective courses, right? So guys, that was all, and wish you all the best for your phase 2 examination.